In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser slow on Windows. If you've noticed that Brave is taking longer than usual to load pages, feels sluggish while browsing, or isn't responding as quickly as it should, this tutorial will walk you through several effective adjustments that can help improve its speed and overall performance. These settings are easy to access and can make a noticeable difference in how smoothly the browser runs on your Windows computer. To get started, open the Brave browser on your PC. Once the browser is fully open, head to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll find the controls needed to optimize the browser and improve its responsiveness. After entering the settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left side and select About Brave. This section displays the current version of the browser and automatically checks for available updates. Keeping Brave updated is important because newer versions often include performance enhancements, security improvements, and fixes for issues that may be affecting browser speed. Allow Brave to complete its update check and add any available updates before moving forward. Next, return to the left side menu and select Extensions. Then click Manage Extensions to view all add-ons currently installed in the browser. While extensions can add useful functionality, they also consume system resources. Having too many active extensions can slow down startup times, reduce browsing performance, and increase memory usage. Take a moment to review the extensions you have installed. Disable any extensions you rarely use and remove those you no longer need. Reducing the number of active extensions allows Brave to dedicate more resources to browsing, helping pages load faster and improving overall responsiveness. Once you've finished managing your extensions, go back to the left navigation panel and open Privacy and Security. In this section, select Delete Browsing Data. Over time, cached files, cookies, and other stored browsing information can build up and affect performance. Clearing this data can help refresh the browser and resolve slowdowns caused by outdated or excessive stored content. When the browsing data window appears, choose All Time as the time range. Then select Delete from this device and wait for the cleanup process to finish. Depending on the amount of stored data, this may take a few moments. After the cleanup is complete, navigate to the System section. Locate the setting labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. Although hardware acceleration can improve performance on some systems, it can also create slowdowns or compatibility issues on others. Finally, click Relaunch to restart Brave with all the changes applied. The browser will close and reopen automatically, and you should notice a faster and more responsive browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.